scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Jacket prices can look sneaky, but this one is fast if you track the exchange rate change and compare both years in Deltons. First, convert the 2021 beta price into Deltons. The jacket costs 20 batonces, and each batons is worth 1.6 Deltons. So multiply 20 by 1.6 to get 32 Deltons. Next, keep the jacket price the same in 2022 at 20 batances, but use the new exchange rate of 2 Deltons per batance. So 20 times 2 equals 40 Deltons. Now compare the two Delton prices. 40 in 2022 minus 32 in 2021 gives 8 Deltons, and that difference is exactly what they asked. Well done! Option A. Scan now, don't rush signs or skip details. Trust the given exchange rates and check each conversion step carefully.